well as to you is a leader.
Hello everyone, we have here a 3519. This is a USI combo 3519. It's got LED, drop sensors, dual zones. Let me know if you like this machine. Make us an offer. Thanks, bye-bye.
Hospitals, medical facilities, gyms, offices, casinos. We serve all the snacks you know and love plus more. We have an in-depth experience in tasty, natural and plant-based snacks. Working hand in hand with your organization, mission, goal and objectives to promote wellness and a positive image. Organizing snack expos and events. We continue to provide free vending machines